Hi there, welcome to the shop. It's been a busy day, but I wanted to show you something cool we're working on. Have you ever stood in the automotive aisle of a store, staring at a wall of colorful bottles, wondering which fuel additive actually works? Every single one of those bottles makes the same promise to you: better mileage, cleaner engine, more power, and a happier wallet. But here is the uncomfortable truth that the fuel additive industry really does not want you to think about for too long. Most of those bottles do absolutely nothing useful for your car, and a few of them might actually be quietly draining your bank account. Today we will walk through 6 fuel additive brands and product types that are likely robbing you blind without you even noticing. And then, because this is not just a video full of doom and gloom, we will cover 3 products that genuinely save you fuel and money. By the end of this, you will know exactly what to grab off that shelf, and just as importantly, what to walk straight past. So let me ask you something. How much money do you think you have spent on fuel additives over the last 5 years of driving? For a lot of drivers, that number quietly climbs into the hundreds, one $12 bottle at a time, without any proof it ever helped. Before we name names, you need to understand one fact that changes how you should look at every single bottle on that shelf. Since 1997, the Environmental Protection Agency has required every gallon of gasoline sold in America to contain detergent additives. That is not optional, it is the law, and it means your fuel already arrives with cleaning chemicals built into it before you ever pump it. There is also a voluntary industry standard called Top Tier, and gasoline that meets it carries 2 to 3 times the minimum detergent required. So if you regularly fill up at a top-tier station, your engine is already getting a far stronger cleaning dose than the legal floor. That single fact quietly destroys the sales pitch behind a huge chunk of the additive bottles sitting on those store shelves right now. So let us get into it, starting with the brands that sound impressive on the shelf but often leave drivers paying far more than they should for very little real benefit. Have you ever stood in the automotive aisle of a store, holding a $25 bottle, quietly wondering if it is really worth that much? Right next to it sits a humble little bottle that costs less than half the price, and it makes almost exactly the same promises to you. So which one actually does the job for you, the expensive premium can, or the cheap one that nobody talks about with the same excitement? Here is the surprising answer that the fuel additive industry would honestly prefer you never stopped long enough to actually figure out. A lot of the most expensive fuel additives barely outperform options that cost a fraction of the price, sometimes by a margin you would never notice. And a few of the cheaper, less hyped products quietly deliver almost everything the premium bottle does, for the money you actually want to keep. Today we will walk through 6 expensive fuel additive brands and products that are likely overcharging you for very little extra benefit. And then we will cover 3 affordable options that genuinely do the job, so you stop paying premium prices for a small or invisible upgrade. By the end of this, you will know exactly what to grab off that shelf, and just as importantly, what to quietly walk straight past. So let me ask you, how much do you think you have overpaid for fuel additives over the last 5 years, simply by trusting the price your bottle? For a lot of drivers, that gap adds up to real money, 10 or 15 extra dollars per can, repeated over and over without a second thought. Since 1997, the Environmental Protection Agency has required every gallon of gasoline sold in America to contain detergent additives. Since 1997, the Environmental Protection Agency has required every gallon of gasoline sold in America to contain detergent additives. So if you regularly fill up at a top-tier station, your engine is already getting a strong cleaning dose without any extra bottle at all. That single fact quietly explains why so many premium additives struggle to show a dramatic difference in a normal, well-maintained car. So let us get into it, starting with the expensive products that are most likely charging you a premium for a fairly ordinary benefit. The first overpriced category is the dealership fuel system service, the cleaning treatment your mechanic adds during a routine visit. You have probably seen it on an invoice, a fuel system cleaning listed somewhere between $60 and well over $150. The actual work is often just pouring a professional cleaning chemical into your tank, something you could honestly do yourself in 2 minutes. That very same job, done with a quality bottle bought from the store, typically costs you somewhere around $10 to $15 instead. You are not paying for magic, you are paying for the convenience and the label, and that markup is one of the easiest ones to skip. To be fair, there are cases where a deeper professional cleaning makes sense, like a badly neglected engine with heavy carbon buildup. But for a normal car that runs fine, that line item on the invoice is mostly a comfortable upsell rather than something your engine needed. The second overpriced product is the famous BG44K, a fuel system cleaner with an almost cult-like following on car forums. Part of that price comes from its dealer-only distribution. You cannot just grab it off a normal shelf, and that mystique props up the cost. But here is the catch. It usually sells for around $18 to $28 a can, roughly double the price of common store options. Forum chemistry enthusiasts estimate it may clean perhaps 10 to 15% better than cheaper PEA products, which is real but modest. But here is the catch. It usually sells for around $18 to $28 a can, roughly double the price of common store options. As one community summed it up, you could simply use a cheaper PEA cleaner twice as often for the same money, and that is a very fair point. BG44K is a real product, it genuinely works, and it is built around polyethyramine, the gold standard cleaning detergent called PEA. So BG44K is not a scam at all, it is a quality product. The real question is just whether the extra cost earns its place for you. For a serious one-time cleanup on a problem engine, it can be worth it, but for routine maintenance, the premium is hard to justify. The third overpriced category is the premium imported additive, with Liqui-Moly being the most recognizable name in that whole space. Liqui-Moly makes genuinely good additives. The company is serious about testing, and many drivers report a small 1 to 2 mile per gallon, but the imported branding carries a price premium, and some of its products land well above what a comparable domestic cleaner would cost you. Honest customer reviews are mixed. Some call it excellent, while others say it felt watered down and overpriced for the result they noticed. That split is the real lesson here. When a product is good but not clearly better, the higher price is buying you a label more than performance. The fourth overpriced product is the Premium Octane Booster, the tall, flashy bottle with racing graphics promising more power in your tank. Octane boosters do have a real purpose. They raise the octane rating of fuel to reduce engine knock, that pinging sound from poor ignition timing. But here is the catch. Almost every ordinary car on the road is designed to run perfectly fine on regular pump gasoline as it comes. If your owner's manual says regular fuel is fine, then an expensive octane booster gives your engine no measurable benefit whatsoever. You are paying premium money to solve a problem your car simply does not have, which is one of the quietest ways to overspend at the counter. The fifth overpriced category is the all-in-one miracle additive, the bottle that claims to clean, boost, protect, and save fuel all at once. These products lean heavily on long lists of impressive-sounding benefits, and that crowded label is usually a sign of marketing over substance. A bottle that promises to fix everything is rarely the best at any single thing, yet it almost always carries one of the highest price tags. You end up paying a premium for a jack-of-all-trades when a focused, cheaper product would have handled your actual problem better. The sixth overpriced product is the high-mileage or specialty engine additive sold as a separate, pricier version of a normal cleaner. You will see the same brand offer a regular cleaner and a high-mileage cleaner, with the second one costing several dollars more per bottle. In many cases, the core cleaning chemistry is very similar, and the extra cost is mostly the targeted label aimed at owners of older cars. If your goal is simply a clean fuel system, the standard version with proven PEA detergent usually serves you just as well for less money. Now let me pause, because I do not want you walking away thinking that spending money on fuel additives is always a waste of your cash. The truth is more balanced. The right additive used at the right time genuinely helps. You just rarely need the most expensive bottle to get there. So let us switch gears and talk about 3 affordable products that actually do the job and let you keep the premium price difference. The first affordable winner is Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus, and it is honestly the easiest recommendation in this entire video. Techron is built around PEA, the very same gold standard detergent found in those pricey premium cleaners on the dealer-only shelf. It typically costs around $10 to $12 a bottle, and Chevron actually developed the PEA technology that the whole industry now relies on. It is also widely recommended by major automakers including General Motors and Honda, which is about as strong an endorsement as a cleaner can get. You get the same gold standard cleaning chemistry as the expensive options at a price that does not make you hesitate before buying it. A smart move many drivers use is buying a multi-pack online, which drops the cost per bottle even lower while keeping the exact same product. The second affordable winner is a basic no-frills fuel stabilizer, and this one quietly saves you from a much bigger repair bill later. Gasoline is a perishable product, and untreated fuel can start degrading in roughly 30 to 6 days, turning into varnish and gum. That is why your lawnmower fights you every spring, and why a generator that sat all summer suddenly refuses to start when you need it most. A simple stabilizer like STA-BIL costs only a few dollars, yet it can keep stored fuel usable for a year or more instead of a couple of months. Compare that small price to the cost of a clogged carburetor cleaning, and the cheap stabilizer becomes one of the best value buys on the shelf. The honest catch, a stabilizer only helps fuel that is going to sit, so it is for the boat, the mower, the snowblower, and the spare gas cans. If you drive your car every single day, you do not need a stabilizer at all, and that is exactly the kind of honesty the labels rarely offer. Used in the right situation, though, this is a cheap product that prevents a genuinely expensive headache, which makes it real, smart value. The third affordable winner is a standard PEA cleaner used at the right schedule, which beats any expensive bottle used carelessly or too rarely. The secret is not really the brand on the can, it is the active ingredient, so you simply look for the words polyethyramine or PEA on the label. A modestly priced cleaner with real PEA, added every few thousand miles or around each oil change, keeps your fuel system genuinely clean. That steady, affordable habit outperforms one expensive shock treatment that you only remember to use once every couple of years by accident. The pattern across all three affordable winners is the same. They are not the cheapest junk, and they are not the priciest hype. They are the value. That is honestly the single most useful filter you can carry into that store aisle. Look for proven chemistry at a sensible, fair price. A smart purchase names the active ingredient, explains the specific problem it solves, and does not lean on a fancy label to justify the cost. An overpriced purchase sells you branding, exclusivity, or a long list of vague promises, and quietly counts on you not comparing the price per use. So let me leave you with a simple checklist that turns that confusing wall of bottles into something you can navigate with real confidence. First, ignore the price tag at first glance, and instead flip the bottle around to check whether it actually contains PEA as the real cleaner. Second, for routine cleaning, reach for an affordable proven option like Chevron Techron rather than the dealer-only premium can that costs double. Third, skip the expensive dealership fuel service when the same job is a $10 bottle and 2 minutes of your own time at the pump. Fourth, avoid the octane booster entirely unless your owner's manual specifically says your engine actually requires premium fuel to run right. Fifth, remember that buying a cheaper cleaner more often beats buying an expensive cleaner you barely use, because consistency does the real work. The fuel additive industry depends on one quiet assumption, that a higher price must mean a better result, and you will pay without checking. If this helped you see that shelf more clearly, think of one friend who could use the same heads up before they overpay on their next visit. Subscribe to the channel so the next bottle on that shelf never fools you again.